Shout, guys! Hey everyone! Today we're playing build a boat to get treasure, and I just wanted to shout out to Poopla. Okay, he's been commenting nice comments on our videos, and it's really cool how he's been doing it. It warms my heart that we're getting good comments on our videos so far, and I would want you guys to know you can get a shout out like him if you comment like him too. And I have some important news for you guys. Later, you guys are going to be so surprised. There's going to be a new mystery member on our channel. Maybe he'll be in the next video or a few videos after that. Who knows? Stay tuned on our channel to figure out when he comes. I just want to thank you so much and enjoy the video. Boom.
Are you ready to go on an adventure?
On this wacky boat, anyways. Alright, so.
Let us go! Oh god. We're not gonna survive very long, are we?
Yeah, probably not.
We're going back. Oh no, I see rocks ahead. We're gonna die. Dominic, we're gonna die. We're gonna sink.
No, we're not. We've got armor. You see our armor? Fine. I'm driving it and we're not gonna crash into any rock. I don't have a license, but I learned how to drive using an RC boat before. Alright, so I'm gonna drive us past all these rocks. And yeah, we're definitely fine because I am the world's best driver.
Are you sure about that?
I am 100% sure.
I don't trust you, to be honest.
Well.
Gears. We need to make a better boat.
We already started off with a good boat. Look at our boat. It has only the finest armor you can ever have. Yeah.
I'm getting hit.
Why are we getting hit? Why not something else?
One of our front armor plates are off.
Yeah, I know that. We got to I know we're gonna survive for a while. Maybe we're gonna survive for a while.
Don't jinx
Yeah. I don't think so.
Down to the second layer now.
I don't really think that we're gonna survive for that long.
Are you sure you know how to?
Yeah, definitely. Look at me. I'm doing a great job. We're gonna be out of here in no time. There's tornadoes, and I'm scared of tornadoes. What do we do?
Are you sure?
Positive.
I think negative.
I built this boat with my own hands. I know how to steer it, and I know how to make it get through things. You see, we went through a tornado with this boat. We're not dead, huh? I told you. You need to trust me.
Yeah. Is there such thing as lightning proof?
Maybe? I think so. We should be fine.
We're gonna die. We're not gonna.
I think. Look, we gotta.
Use metal.
I told you. I got out of here. We got out of here in time because I'm the best driver. I'm the best boat driver. Wow, that's a bunch of rocks.
All of our steel is going away.
Oh no. Don't worry. My baby can handle this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Positive.
Your armor is down. You have no bumper. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Jeez, please. Oh no, I'm dying for. Oh.
Look at the back.
Oh. 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 You were dying. We died. I
still have pieces.
Let's see how much gold I got 41 gold from that. Let me get more pieces with that.
Okay,
I have 51 gold right now.
Okay.
I got 5 quartz blocks, 5 rusted metal, 2 of those legs, 3 of these microphones, 2 cannons? Why do we need cannons?
I don't know. Maybe they're pirates.
Okay.
Okay, this time let's build some kind of.
And 2 pieces of.
Let's build a tiny boat.
A tiny. Why a tiny boat? How are we gonna live with a tiny boat?
You'll see.
It doesn't make any sense.
It will. Come on, do you have any rust on you? We must get that treasure. Put down your feet.
Are you sure this is gonna work?
Listen.
I don't think physics work. Oh, we're adding. I don't have any more rusted metal. I have quartz blocks.
That's fine. That's fine.
Right.
For decoration. Okay,
Yeah.
after the quartz block.
Yeah, I can't place anymore. I have 8 wood blocks.
Oh god, we don't have good stuff.
I'm running out of stuff, so I'm placing wood blocks as
put that
to help with the bumper.
Okay, put in the front bumper. Okay, it's not looking bad. Actually, it is. But, it'll work, okay? We're not rich. Okay, time for the steel. Are you sure all of this weight is gonna make it float?
Positive. Should I place down cannons to destroy other boats if they're
going? Put it on these 2 blocks. All right.
Yeah.
Maybe we need to use.
We're such bad people. We're gonna ruin every other pirate's dreams.
Wait a minute. Dude, wait. If you look, we made toast.
Wow, that is awesome.
Dude, we made a toast. Look at the shape.
Oh, that's like really cool.
Give me toast.
It's kind of cool.
All I hear is the birds chirping. Everybody else is trying to get that treasure. We can't let them, Dominic. We must keep on going. Are you ready?
Oh, I like that seat. I like these seats.
Okay.
They're nice. Oh. Do you have any other blocks to place up here? So like there'll be an emergency seat up here to go on, like, because top is probably gonna survive the most.
That's true. Unless like the two stabilizers get off, but I doubt that. Yeah, sure.
Let's add like a seat up here or something.
It's
So
gonna look
like,
ugly though.
yeah.
I don't have another.
But like it's for, I have one, but it's an ugly stool.
Oh, okay, that'll work. That'll work.
I know.
Emergency.
Like that's just emergency.
Yeah. Okay, now let's test out like which way. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go. I'll be driving this time. Let's go.
Let's go.
Why did we make toast?
I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait.
I can't stop it.
Wait. No.
I'll see you when I die. Oh, yeah. Now use the cannon to destroy the rocks.
Wait, did some parts of the ship come off?
No.
Alright.
Why didn't you get up?
I was gonna jump out to just see if I can to just shoot cannon, but then I
So that you could do it when you're sitting down.
wait. Can't you save your boat thing?
Yeah, but it's too late to save it. I'm just gonna die. Hit me, dear.
Next time, let's save our good boat. Let's get a good boat and save it.
Okay. Told you tiny boats last. Okay, where are you? We must build to get that treasure. We cannot quit. We must build and get all of that loot. Are you building your own boat or something?
No. Oh wait, did you get back? Oh, nice.
Yeah, I died.
Alright, this time let's save the boat, that if it's good. Yeah, we need like a good place to be on.
Place a wood there. Place wood there at the corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then rusted metal.